Hey there, fellow Etsy sellers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're eager to avoid the single biggest mistake that could be costing your Etsy shop thousands of dollars in additional revenue every single year, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you the biggest rookie mistake I made in my own top 1% Etsy shop and how you can avoid this costly blunder. Believe it or not, but the most expensive error that many Etsy sellers make, whether they're new or a seasoned pro, is neglecting to build an email list. Imagine having thousands of orders and customers and no way to turn them into a repeat customer. It's like leaving money on the table. Plus, if you ever expand beyond Etsy, you won't have any way to contact your previous customers. It's a missed opportunity just waiting to happen. When you launch new products on Etsy, Etsy does not notify your previous customers. But by building an email list, you can quickly drive traffic to those new listings using email marketing. This not only boosts your sales from previous customers, but also improves your listing's visibility on Etsy, thanks to their algorithm, which will reward you for driving your own traffic. Additionally, with Etsy's new Share and Save program, every time a customer clicks your unique Share and Save link, Etsy will subtract 4% from your order total from your Etsy fees. It adds up really quickly, which will add to your shop's overall profitability. Today, I'm going to show you how to build an automated email list on Etsy that 100% complies with Etsy's policies and guarantees you more traffic and sales in your shop. There are various email services out there that you can use, but I prefer using one that seamlessly integrates with my Etsy shop, saving me valuable time and effort. I recently switched to using Everbee for my email, which is a popular Etsy research tool that I use for product research on Etsy, which has just launched their automated email feature. You can sign up for Everbee for free using the link in the description box below. So let's dive into Everbee email so I can guide you through this process step by step. Once you've created your Everbee account, you can navigate to Everbee email. Then navigate to the campaign tab here, and these are the 4 different types of emails that comply with Etsy's policies that you can use to have them join your email list, as well as request reviews. To start an order confirmation campaign, you would just click on that, and Everbee will already have a template all ready to go for you. It has a brief message about confirming their order and subscribing for an offer to your email list. The message also includes some of the top listings from your shop. You can also send a test to yourself to see how it turns out, and then when you're ready, you can click Activate. Navigating back to the campaigns, you can also set up a shipment confirmation, a delivery confirmation, as well as a review request. If you want to edit any of the templates, you just select Edit, and then you can edit these as needed. And then once you have these campaigns activated, Everbee is going to automate sending these messages to your customers for you. So you never have to worry about sending out messages yourself. And then once you start getting some subscribers, you're ready to create a new campaign. To do that, you would just select New Campaign. You can start from scratch. There are also templates that they have ready to go for you. So if I wanted to promote some new fall listings or run a Thanksgiving sale, I could use this template. I can edit the subject, the preview text, any of the photos. I can send a test and then send this to my subscriber list. This is a really fun template, but I would want to add some products and have a call to action, so probably a coupon code for my customers. So to just add that content, I would just select the plus sign here. Then I could add a product, an image, a button, or even text. In conclusion, neglecting email marketing can be a costly mistake for Etsy sellers. Building your own email list and leveraging email marketing, especially services that can easily integrate into your Etsy shop, can help you avoid this costly mistake and potentially help you earn thousands more in revenue each year. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content in the future. Thanks for tuning in today, and best of luck in your own Etsy shop. Remember, success is just one listing and one email away. Until next time, happy selling. Coming up next is a video about selling on Etsy you may want to check out. See you all there.